friend Christy with the BTI. Listen up, all you men with beards. If you want your beards to look and smell amazing, check out this beard balm from Duke Cannon. So clearly I don't use this. My husband does. But what he loves most about this is the scent. This is the oak barrel scent. It smells so good. It's like a smoky, woodsy scent. It's very masculine, but this makes his beard very soft and it kind of glistens, which I love. But I can attest to the fact that when he comes in to kiss me, his beard doesn't feel like it's going to scratch my face off. It feels really nice, so I appreciate what it does for his beard just as much as he does. So this is a balm. It's oily, but that's what you want to soften your facial hair. I think my husband's glorious beard speaks for itself. He looks pretty hot, so we give this 2 thumbs up, and that's our point of view.